Okay, so to go ahead and wrap up 11.4, we're going to talk about empirical probability. Now, empirical probability works the same pretty much as theoretical probability, except we are actually observing these. These are things that we actually are seeing for ourselves. Okay, so it's not everything has an equal chance. That doesn't always occur. You could take a coin, flip it 3 times, or 4 times, or 5 times, and you might not always get the same number of heads and the same number of tails. Okay, so this is just strictly observed occurrences, and I'm really just going to go ahead and go straight to the example that's on page 127. Okay, and I'm not going to go ahead and do the whole chart, but here we're talking about people, marital status of the U.S. population 15 or older. Okay, and what we want to look at is I want to look at the total number of people that has never been married. Okay, so these people have never been married. Okay, so if we look under never married and go down to the last one to the total, that gives us the total for all the population that has never been married, which is 81. Okay, under our total, or we have a total column for all of them, married, never married, divorced, or widowed. That's that fifth column down. Okay, and you'll see the total number of people that they went ahead and surveyed, okay, is 254. Okay, so this ends up being 81 over 254. All right, and it tells us we need to round this to the nearest hundredth, so we would go ahead and put this in our calculator, and we would get around 318. Now I need to round, so I need to look at this number. This number is greater than 5. All right, so to the nearest hundredth, I'm looking at 0.32. And I tend to put a 0 in the front. You will usually see that in these type of things. So just kind of be prepared for that 0 in the front. All right, now we want to look at is male. They didn't say anything. We want to know the number of people that are male. So male has a row that goes straight across. So I want to go to the total of that male row, and I have 123. Okay, now the total population is still 254. That hasn't changed. So I have 123 over 254. All right, which gives me, when I go ahead and put it in the calculator, 484. Okay, now remember I have to go ahead and look at my thousandths place to go ahead and round it to 2 decimal places. It is less than 5. Okay, so my number should be 4, 8, and drop that last 4. Okay, so what you're always doing is you're just looking at what's already been done for you and go ahead and put it back together. So go ahead and try the other one. You only have one more example left on that. It works exactly the same way. You just got to find the right column or row. All right, and if you have any troubles, go ahead and make sure you email me.